Let's talk about how you can disable keyboard on your iPad. And there are multiple different ways how you can do that depending on which one you use and stuff. So let's get into it. First of all, if you have this like on a screen keyboard that you just don't want to see there, well, you still need to have some sort of way to input the text. So if you just pair like a third-party keyboard to it, then this software one is just not going to pop up. So that's kind of simple to do. If you have like a magic keyboard or something, you place your iPad on it and then you won't even see the keyboard on the screen anymore. Also, inside of the settings, in the general section, and then inside of the keyboard, you have the control over your existing ones. This option is to manage the languages. So if you, for example, don't want to have certain language, you can just remove it and disable it from your iPad entirely, and then only the one that you use or the one that you want will appear on your iPad. You might also be using a third-party keyboard downloaded from the App Store, which is a possibility as well. Like you can just locate the app somewhere on the iPad. It might be like a Gboard or a Microsoft Swift key or even other one. It doesn't really matter. And you can easily just disable it by removing the app altogether, and it's just going to disappear from your iPad entirely. So that's another possible option. Also, if you use like a different Bluetooth keyboard connected to your iPad, by the way, I made a specific video about connecting like Mac keyboards and third-party ones to your iPad. So if you want to just disable it or remove it, you can just go to the Bluetooth section and there just disconnect from that keyboard, or even just turn off Bluetooth entirely, or click on forget this device for your keyboard and you can disable it as well. So this is possibility as well. So yeah, these are the things which just pop in my mind. Let me know down below in the comments if you found the answer to whatever you were looking for. So yeah, go ahead and let me know, and perhaps I might make an updated video about it, as I'm not entirely sure what you're trying to solve. I don't know your specific case, but I try to cover as many situations as possible. So hope you found this video helpful. Hit the thumbs up if you did, subscribe below, and as I said, let me know what's going on with your device. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.